Dear friends, welcome back to Data Analytics Talks. In this video, I would like to create a Dataproc VM for trying out some of my cloud data lessons. So first of all, we would like to go to Google Cloud Platform. It is necessary that we have to create a free trial account. So under the free trial account, you will have $300 credit, and you can try out whatever you learn in these sessions. So under free tier products, you have a compute engine, you have cloud storage, BigQuery, Google Kubernetes engine, cloud run, cloud build, operations, file store. Lot of features are available. So try out the free trial. So when you try the free trial, you will have to have a Google account. If not, you will have to create another Google account. So this will show you like a free trial account. So you will have some credit, like I already said, the $300 credit, and you can use that credit for trying out various options. Okay, so make sure you have that enabled. You have start using the Google Cloud services. So here I would like to create a Dataproc. I can search for. There is something called Dataproc Managed Apache Hadoop. These VMs will have pre-built the Apache Hadoop Cloud Data Hive, all components installed. So let me just click on that. So I am going to create one new Dataproc. So Google Cloud Dataproc lets you provision Apache Hadoop clusters and connect to underlying analytic data store. So there is no clusters in the currently selected Cloud Dataproc regions. Create a cluster to get started. So this will be just a single node cluster that we are going to create for just a trial purpose. So we need to click on the cluster. So we have option cluster on compute engine, then cluster on GKE. So create a cluster on compute engine, create a cluster on Google Kubernetes engine. So I would like to go for cluster on compute engine. Just click on it. So we have various options to choose from. Let's give a big data cluster. So this basically the region and the zone. We will not change anything. Then we will go for single node, one master, 0 worker. So this is one master, n workers. So we will be going for single node, one master, 0 workers. Go as by default. So coming to the components, component gateway should be enabled. Provides access to the web interfaces of default and selected optional components on the cluster. Okay, so let's go to the configuration nodes. The configuration node, we have the series. We have many series. We'll go with the N2. Then mission type, that's the default. Then let's leave our cities. Let's go to the customized cluster. So we have an option here, schedule deletion. So, since you are doing the trial version, whenever we have this cluster is active, you will be charged. So you can delete the cluster after your use. So delete the cluster after idle time, maybe after, you can say, after 5 hours. I want to delete because I want to save money, right? So you can set that. So just click everything. Now you are going to create your cluster. Okay, let me try it again. So it says Cloud Dataproc API has not been used in this project, big data, and before it is disabled, enabled by visiting. So when you create a new project and a Dataproc VM, then we have to enable Dataproc API. Okay, let me go and enable this first. For that, let me copy this. So we have to enable Cloud Dataproc API. Let's enable this. The Dataproc API is this enabled. So let me go back again and try it again. For Dataproc, we have the full Hadoop environment part of this cluster. So if you want to see the details, we can click on this cluster name, and you can also see how the roles and the principals are located. You have the owner, who is the owner, and we have the editors. We have the Dataproc service agent, and if we can actually stop this VM whenever we are not using it, and we can delete it, and of course we can create a new clusters also. So by stopping, we can save our cost. So when I created this VM, I did not set any schedule deletion, but I thought I will stop it so that it won't be costing as much. So if I click on this VM, it gives you all kind of matrices. Okay, all kind of the matrices. This is a new VM, so don't have much to do now. So this is a monitor. Okay, and we have the jobs. There is no job we have set up in this VM. And you can see the VM instances. If you want to connect to the VM, come to the VM instances. I will show you that. And we have the configurations. Basically, the configurations that we have chosen while we are creating this VM. And we have the web interfaces. If you come, we have Yarn, MapReduce, Spark History Server, HDFS name node, Yarn application timeline, and these can be accessed using the browser as well. So let me just click on this VM. Interestingly, we can initiate multiple instances of the VM. This is one of the instances. This is transferring SSH keys to the VM. I can even open another instance. So I have to authorize this. So it is going to give me like, yeah, we have done, everything is available. Let me just see how HDFS DFS _ ls/user. So we can see how the HDFS, how many users, how many folders with this command. So it shows you like HDFS Hadoop. We have user/Dataproc, user/HBase, user/HDFS, user/Hive, user/MapRed, that is MapReduce, user/Pig, user/Solar, user/Spark, user/Yarn, user/Zeppelin, user/Zookeeper. So we have, these are all separate components, part of Cloudera, right? So we can explore each of them, and even we can, I already mentioned that we can open another instance. This is another instance of the VM, and we can execute or invoke any commands here. So if I would like to see the Spark version installed in this VM, so this gives you the Spark environment in a VM. Okay, so let me so this is how this is our first VM. So this role is master, right? So I have in the next video I will show you how to create a bucket in Google Cloud, and how to load a file from the bucket, how to mount a bucket to this VM, and so on. So let me stop it for the time. I hope you now understand how we can create a Google Cloud account. It's a free account. You are going to get a $300. You can utilize that credit for exploring or doing some trials. Then you can create Dataproc VM. It is by default set up with all this Hadoop distribution with all the components. Then you can start working on Hive or MySQL or anything of that matter which is available in this VM. Okay, thank you for watching this video.